Here's the second fan that I got off of Craigslist along with the Quorum Remington. This is a Fiess. Doesn't want to load or focus. It's a Fiess ceiling fan. It's from May of 1994. And this one, I really don't like it. It's kind of ugly, but it doesn't do a bad job, really. And yeah, so I'll demonstrate it. It's low speed. Came with a seashell light kit with these type of shades, and that's the light for it. Doesn't do a bad job though. It moves a decent amount of air for what it is. Has the rosewood blades. I don't think they're reversible. One thing I didn't mention in my last video, the Quorum Remington came with an ugly light kit. That 3 light kit, those giant shades, I can't stand it. I really don't like that light kit. That will probably be scrapped at some point. But the seashell one, I really do like. This one's doing a pretty decent job. High speed. Again, it was missing the mounting bracket. Wobbles just a little bit. Reminds me of one of those Hunter Millenniums, because it has that little ring on the side band. But yeah, it's not in the best shape either. It's kind of tarnished or rusty. But again, for free, you can't go wrong. It's off. Again, need to clean this one up too. There's the badges. Top, the tags over there. Yeah. There's the top of the blade. I don't know what finish. I think it's just the same thing up there. Anyway, that's about it though.